How to perform references in Microsoft Word. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So referencing in Microsoft Word is a very easy task because you will get a built-in tab in Microsoft Word. So all you have is maintain your document properly and then go to references. Here you will be able to choose style, whether it is APA style or some other like Harvard, IEE. So the most common one is APA. Simply drag down the bibliography and then select references. If you have any sources cited in the document, you will be getting references in APA style automatically right over here. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.